welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't come over here. And this is how I'm starting off the vlog, y'all. But I need to blow dry, but I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna dry my hair in a minute. Watch a little bit of YouTube. I got some videos I need to edit actually, and then some pictures I need to edit. And I just want to get up here and say hey y'all. It's November the 9th actually. I don't know what else this vlog will consist of, but we vlogging, that's all that matters. So cheers to that. Cheers to me picking up the camera. Let's get this vlog rolling with something. We are at the bank and I thought Marquita was taking us to get sushi, but she was picking up some money. So, and the sushi place is closed on Tuesdays, and I'm kind of upset about that. So yeah, I need to figure out what I'm doing to my hair. I just slicked it into this like little ponytail for today, because I just don't feel like messing with it, and I actually want to give my hair a little breathing room. But we're at the bank right now. Marquita is depositing some money, and we're gonna get piercings, and then I want her to take me to get some food, but I don't know from where. It's this taco place that I want to try. But is this really for tacos? It's Taco Tuesday. We may try that place, y'all. But yeah, I said I'm so ready for Vlogmas. I'm really excited. And yeah, and I want to look into finding me a wide lens, because I be feeling like I'm just all up in y'all face with this lens. So we're gonna look into that as well. But that's tea. That's all I wanted to get up here and say. I need to order me some contacts. I need to go in my book and see what stuff I need to do. Well, I do actually. I have these nightstands in my room, and they're like white, and then the legs of them are gold, and then the handle is gold. But I'm over like the gold in my home, especially like with the main statement pieces. So I don't want any gold furnishing. Like if it's like small decor, then I don't mind that. But so I got some spray paint from Michael's. I wanted to spray paint them black, because I would accept black and white, because that's kind of the thing that I'm going for my room. I'm a neutral girl, like in and out. And it don't have nothing to do with just like afraid. I just prefer neutrals. Now I know people say like, you know, get into colors, but colors make my head hurt. Like too much of colors, especially in my house, will make my head hurt. I don't even like to use horoscopes no more, but I'm a Capricorn. I'm a Earth. I am a neutral girl, a earthy girl, a worldly girl, a godly girl. That girl. But yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm rambling. But I want to put up. I want to spray paint my nightstands today, and I do have these like gold mirrors that was like over my bed in my other apartment. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture, and I'm gonna insert it right here if I can find it. Probably ain't gonna be able to find it, but because I delete everything. But my old apartment was mostly like, it was mostly white, but it had touches of gold. So I kind of want to see if I can spray paint my mirrors as well, but then I don't like my mirrors, like the border, the border around the actual mirror. There's nothing wrong with it though. I just overthink stuff. So I want to do that and that, and then I want to put these two little pictures up that I got over my bed just for now. I'm more than like, I am want to switch them out eventually, but just to have something up there for now, I'm gonna just put them up there, because I would just sit and wait and have it bare when like those are there. I was gonna use those for a different place in my house, but girl, I'm gonna just put them right there. And my mama called me, and I don't know what she want. Probably nothing. But yeah, y'all, that's all I want to get up here and tell y'all. We had to stop and pick up some money, what Marquita did, and we at the bank, and then we're about to go get these ears pierced. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up probably when we get home, or if we go get something to eat or whatever we do. I'm taking y'all with me. Y'all stuck with me. Alright, y'all, we about to go get this piercing. Oh, the skin is skinny right here. So yeah, y'all. You lock the door? I'm gonna pick y'all back up either when we get in the back or when we leave here. Turn around. She about to put them hoops in. One of them was completely closed. So this one was closed. I mean, this one was open. This one was completely closed. So yeah, we just... You hear me? So yeah, y'all. I was finna get my hose back anyway. So y'all, I spray painted a little bit. Y'all can see some of the like gold. It's still right there, need to be done over them. But overall, most of it did get sprayed. So I love that. Yeah. So these are gonna be my nightstands. This was the original color. I have to wipe that one out and then we're gonna spray paint that one. But that was the original color. And this is the spray paint that I use. This one, I got it from Michael's. And I was rushing, I didn't use no gloves. I got it all on my fingers. But this is the spray paint. I gotta get some more of those. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how I look so far. But I think she's turning out good. So it's just gonna be black and white nightstands. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it's gonna be black and white. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. Dangerous. She's dangerous. She's a dangerous girl. So I have had a decent amount, but it's very intense and I like it. It smells very rich and very coffee like really coffee like. But yeah, y'all, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to show y'all the nightstand that I spray painted, and then I got these two pictures that I'm gonna put up in my room as well, like over my bed. Let me turn this down so y'all can hear me. Let's go to the store. I'm in the car. I just threw something on so we can go get these sausages, and I need to get the painter's tape real quick. So I'm about to go to the store and do that, and then I guess I'll pick y'all back up when I'm cooking breakfast. Probably, I don't know. Or I'll show y'all me spray painting my little nightstands. These nightstands are just temporary until I find what I want. But I'm just tired of it just sitting, because I would want the perfect set of nightstands and I'll just prolong it. It's so bad. So I'm gonna utilize what I got right now.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was.
So y'all, we at y'all house real quick to get a quick bite. So yeah.